Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Nieves Nicolas, 30 years old and a college graduate. I have 3 years and 6 months of experience as a helper here in the Philippines. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 kids, ages 1 and 4 years old. And my main duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning the house, doing laundry, car washing, marketing, and look after the kids. I do prepare the food for the kids and feed them, change diaper, sterilize the bottle of milk, and play with them. I also send and pick up the 4-year-old kid in school. I really love cooking, and my favorite recipe to cook are beef caldereta, chicken curry, and pork sinigang. To my future employer, if you will hire me, I will do my very best to fulfill all my duties and responsibilities as a helper in your family. I am trustworthy, hardworking, honest, kind, and a fast learner person. I hope you will give me a chance to work in your family. Thank you and God bless.